I put these tomato plants in the last day of July. They got tomatoes all over them. I got one ripe tomato off of them so far. This cattle panel is laying right straight across from the top of this 6-foot fence, and the plants was growing right through the cattle panel. So I went and bought these 2x6s. I raised the cattle panel up so I can put polycarbonate, 6 mil polycarbonate plastic over top of this. And I put these posts in, bolted 2x6s, so I can run the plastic without any obstructions over top of it. Saturday it's calling for be 35 degrees. Anytime you get down below 40, you can always have a little bit of frost. And if the sun hits it, it's going to kill the plants. But sometimes you can just take and water the frost off of them and save them. But with this plastic on there, hopefully I can extend the season a little bit more.
You ought to stand over there and show them how tall it is.
I'm 6'2.5", I think. I might have shrunk a little bit, but I'm still pretty tall.
So they're taller than you.
Yeah, and on this raw fruit diet, they say you can gain your height back. So,
really?
And I might even go up past 6'2.5".
I've never heard that one.
I've heard it,
Really?
big time, yeah.
Okay.
And on this water, drinking this water, I get up in the morning, I drink 1.5 quarts of water before I eat anything.
There you go.
And I'm telling you, this water is the miracle cure for
The
just
water
about
cure.
everything.
Water cure. You got it.